What is the difference between wall angle profile used in partition wall and metal ceiling? Wall angle profile is a construction material used for partition walls and metal ceilings, whose main function is to provide support and hold the wall panel or ceiling structure in place. The difference lies in the installation location and use. Partition wall angle profile. When used to build a partition wall structure, the wall angle profile is located at the corner of the wall and serves as a support and connection for the wall. Metal ceiling wall angle carrier profile. When used in the construction of ceilings, the corner edge keel is located at the edges and corners of the ceiling. The location and purpose of wall angle profile installation on partition walls and ceilings varies, but both are intended to provide structural support and anchoring to flat, solid and aesthetically pleasing walls and ceilings.